Hello my darlings, this is Mel B. Welcome back, and today we're doing a full face Divage from Milan, Italy, and I think you'll love this makeup. It's full glam today with winged eyes and ruby lips. So let me show you how I did it. Let's get started. Do the other side. My eyebrows with my NYX, just underlining underneath. Brow styler tattoo. I use the NYX white primer. And then on top of that, raw minerals, a mineral foundation and light to stop it from creasing. Black Code mascara by Divage. For our full glam lashes. So let's go ahead and put on the rest of our makeup. Here's the Divage blush. We're just going to go on top of that a little bit. And then I got this Loop Creamy highlighter. We're just going to go right here on the very top of the cheekbone. A little bit on my nose. And this was called Divage, and it's the 5204 Velvet Powder. All new. First time trying it with you. Oh, I think I just broke off the tip. Opening the package, I broke off the tip. This is waterproof, lasting lip and liner. Very creamy. Color on this is called Electric Ruby. And just as the liner, that's gorgeous. But this red looks really nice. Ooh. Oh, that feels really good. And I think that's all it needs. This was the Vinyl Gloss Lip Plumper in Apricot on top of that ruby color. Is beautiful. Full face glam Hollywood red carpet style, winged eyes, ruby lips. I think it turned out beautiful. I'm very happy with this Divage makeup from Milano, Italy. If it works for me, I hope it'll work for you too. Don't forget, age is just a number. Don't let it define you. Be bold, be beautiful, be you. Love you guys. Dewey.